In just a few minutes, this road is going to be full of classic cars. So how many have you been at a car show when this happens?
You can almost give it a shove if you wanted to.
Show up when this happens
You
too.
might have to hold the camera.
Jim, the car show guy here. Today we're in Brooksville, Michigan at the Tangerine Festival. We were here last year, great show last year, a couple of hundred cars. Starting a little slow this morning. We're going to see what this one turns out to be like. So stick around, we're going to walk through all the cars at this show. So what year are we looking at here?
34 Chevy.
34 Chevy. Pretty car.
What's that?
Pretty.
Came from here.
Did it?
A year ago I bought it.
Oh.
I just bought it a year ago out here at a car dealership.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
There's the whole thing on it.
Okay. All right. So we're looking at a 66 Dart. Kind of unique taillight system set up there.
Yeah, I'm going to try to find something. But buddy, my daddy has to do the interior.
All right, we got ourselves some Impala coupe. Sorry, Impala convertible. We're in the middle. Alright, so this is a 1937 Chevy Legends.
Took it all apart.
That was got a Suzuki engine, motorcycle engine, along with a transmission.
And then resin,
11-gallon gas tank weighs 1,400 pounds only.
And they make some stuff cut off back. They're about that long.
The guy that drove this in was probably 6'2".
Right, yeah, like they do.
I always get the camera on and trying to see how he crawled in and out of this, but you can see there his throttle is actually off the motorcycle.
Now, did you buy it from one of the races?
bucket seat back there. Yeah, this is pretty compact little vehicle.
It said very little. Been rated very little.
Alright. DeSoto. Built by Chrysler. Two-door. Oh, we're almost there. This is nicely done too. These guys almost belong to the same car. They've got this black and silver coupe here. Nice little paint job on the side, little flames. I apologize because when these cars are chopped like that, it's hard for me to get an interior shot. So it's got a little engine again. It's pushing out over 500 horse. Nice little dirt. So if you don't have a place for gauges, you just hook them on the roll bar.
That's why she sold it.
Now, I know my camera is not going to do this paint job justice. It's kind of a brown metallic. What's the color of your paint?
That is Marrakesh Brown Metallic.
Okay. I love a nice brown.
It's unusual.
Yeah. All right. Chevy wagons up there. This is nicely done too. I just wish my camera would do these cars justice with paint jobs. I say that all the time. I know I do, but it's just amazing how good these paint jobs are. And I'm sure we pay for them too, but they don't get much better than this. This is a Chrysler wagon with the wood on the side of it. Somebody did an excellent job on the restoration on this one. Just beautiful. You're probably going to see this one as soon as you open up my Facebook page, because I'm going to make this one thumbnail, I'll talk to you in that, thumbnail of the show. I park parallel up behind that leg slope. Unless you want.
Leg right here?
You can.
Alright. Maybe I'll do that. Thank you.
Alright. Nice red Mustang. Dual carb setup. I'm not usually a big fan of black rims, but this one works. Works for this Mustang.
That's my car.
I can move servers in the back window. Looks like the guy's based out of Ohio here in Florida.
Oh, okay, I know.
A little AMX, I'm sorry, AMX going on here.
Yeah. I don't know. That's a good car. That's a good car. That's got to be rare because you don't.
A 390 under the hood. There's actually a big convention for these AMXs. Got a buddy that owns one of these that goes to every year. Alright, here's a Ford Tornado. It's got a 390 under the hood too. Two-door. Hard top. It's pretty original. Looks pretty clean, pretty original. That's a nice car too. Alright, we got ourselves a lead sled. It's kind of a unique hubcap on there. This has actually got the fender skirts built right into the fender. It's a little different. Tucked antenna, tucked taillights, chopped. This is a true lead sled. I can't even get the camera in there so you guys can see it. The window's so chopped. Yeah, there is actually. Go all the way up. There's a parking lot up there by the bank.
He's the car show guy with the camera in hand, roaming the highways across this fine land. From chrome-plated dreams to a candy red ride, he's got a knack for showing where the classics hide. Oh, the car show guy, he's cruising by with a wink, a grin, and a sparkling eye. From tail fins to grills, he's your go